Scene script. Have you ever wondered what the gut is and why it's so important? Our body is a magnificent network of intricate systems, and one of the most essential among them is the gut. Now, when we say gut, it's not just about your stomach or the place where your food goes after a hearty meal. The term gut is a colloquial way to refer to your entire gastrointestinal system. This includes everything from your mouth to your esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum. The gut is like a bustling city with numerous activities happening simultaneously. It's a dynamic entity that plays a pivotal role in digestion, the process that breaks down food into smaller molecules so our body can absorb nutrients and energy. It's like a highly efficient factory that takes in raw materials, processes them, and churns out the energy that fuels us. But the gut is not just a one-trick pony. Beyond digestion, it's also deeply involved in nutrient absorption. Picture this. After the food is broken down during digestion, the gut acts like an intelligent sponge, soaking up essential nutrients and delivering them to different parts of the body. It's like a diligent postman, ensuring each cell gets the nutrients it needs to function optimally. And if that's not impressive enough, the gut also plays a crucial role in maintaining our immune system. Yes, you heard it right. About 70% of our immune cells reside in the gut. It's like a fortress, defending our body against harmful pathogens and maintaining a delicate balance between beneficial and harmful bacteria. The gut, in essence, is a superhero, tirelessly working to keep us healthy and strong. So the next time you think about the gut, remember it's not just about digestion. It's a bustling city, a factory, a sponge, a postman, a fortress, and a superhero, all rolled into one. So your gut is not just a food processing unit, but a complex system vital to your overall health. Now that we know how crucial the gut is, let's delve into its anatomy. The gut, or gastrointestinal tract, is a fascinating system that plays an essential role in our overall health. This complex network of organs is responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. First up, we have the stomach. Picture a muscular sac, diligently churning and grinding away. The stomach's primary task is to break down food into a semi-liquid state called chyme. It achieves this with the help of gastric juices, a potent mix of hydrochloric acid, enzymes, and mucus. The stomach also kills bacteria in our food, thus acting as a first line of defense against harmful invaders. Next in line is the small intestine. Don't let the name fool you. It's a 20-foot-long tube coiled inside your abdomen. The small intestine is the main site of nutrient absorption. It's lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. The small intestine breaks down food further with the help of enzymes and bile, absorbing the nutrients into the bloodstream. Last but not least, we have the large intestine, also known as the colon. The large intestine is primarily responsible for absorbing water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter. It also houses trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiota. These bacteria play a crucial role in our health, assisting in digestion, producing vitamins, and even influencing our mood. So imagine this. Every time you eat, you're setting off a remarkable chain of events. The stomach is breaking down your food, the small intestine is extracting and absorbing valuable nutrients, and the large intestine is conserving water and housing beneficial bacteria. It's a beautiful symphony of processes, all working together to nourish and sustain you. Understanding the structure of the gut can help us appreciate the complex processes that occur within it. And with that appreciation, we can start making more informed choices about what we put into our bodies. After all, when we take care of our gut, we're taking care of our overall health. Did you know that your gut plays a key role in your immune system? Now, that might seem surprising, but when you delve into the intricate world of our bodies, it's a fact that becomes clear. Our gut, or gastrointestinal tract, isn't just responsible for digesting food and absorbing nutrients. It's also a critical player in our immune function. So, how does this work? Well, let's start with the gut's microbiota, a community of trillions of microorganisms that call your gut home. These tiny tenants are not just rent-free borders. They earn their keep by helping to protect against harmful pathogens, those nasty invaders that can cause illness and disease. These microorganisms form a protective barrier, preventing harmful bacteria and viruses from setting up shop in your gut. They're like the bouncers at a club, keeping the riffraff out. But that's not all. The gut's microbiota also plays a pivotal role in training and supporting our immune responses. They help to teach our immune system to recognize and respond to pathogens, while also learning to tolerate the non-harmful, often beneficial bacteria that live within us. This balance of defense and tolerance is a delicate dance, choreographed by the interactions between our gut and our immune system. Moreover, certain species of gut bacteria can stimulate the production of immune cells, like T cells and B cells, which are the frontline soldiers in our body's defense against disease. They're there, ready and waiting, should any harmful pathogens dare to invade. So you see, our gut is not just a food processing plant, it's a complex ecosystem, a bustling metropolis of microorganisms, each performing their part in keeping us healthy. It's a crucial part of our immune system, helping to protect us from disease and supporting our body's defenses. Indeed, a healthy gut can be a powerful ally in maintaining a robust immune system. So the next time you think about your health, don't forget about the important role your gut plays. It may be out of sight, but it certainly shouldn't be out of mind. Scene script. Let's explore an intriguing aspect of the gut, its connection to the brain. This connection is known as the gut-brain axis, an intricate communication network that links your gut and brain, both physically and biochemically. Fascinating, isn't it? That your tummy and your mind have such an intimate conversation going on all the time. Now, what's even more captivating is the role of gut microbiota, the trillions of microorganisms living in your gut, in this conversation. These tiny tenants are not just rent-free lodgers, they are active participants in your body's functions, including your mental well-being. Yes, you heard that right. The health of your gut can impact your mental health. But how, you might ask? The answer lies in the substances that these microbes produce. They generate various chemicals and hormones, some of which are identical to the ones your brain uses to regulate mood and cognition. Serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is one such example. A significant portion of it is actually produced in the gut. Research is increasingly showing that an imbalance in gut microbiota, often referred to as dysbiosis, can lead to mental health issues. Conditions such as depression, anxiety, and even more serious neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's have all been linked to gut health. Moreover, studies have found that those with healthy and diverse gut microbiota often report better mental well-being. Isn't it fascinating how the state of a few trillion microorganisms can influence our mood and mental health? But don't let this overwhelm you. The good news is that you can influence your gut health and in turn potentially your mental well-being through lifestyle choices like diet, exercise, and stress management. Remember, the gut is not just a food processing unit. It's a complex, vibrant ecosystem that plays a significant role in your overall health, including your mental well-being. It's fascinating, isn't it? The state of your gut can have profound effects on your mind. Now we move on to a very important question. How can you maintain a healthy gut? Fostering a healthy gut is akin to tending a garden, where your gut flora are the plants requiring careful nourishment. The key to this lies in a balanced diet, hydration, and regular exercise. Let's unpack these, shall we? Firstly, consider your diet as the main source of nutrients for your gut flora. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides a broad spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. These elements serve as fuel for your gut bacteria, enabling them to perform their functions optimally. Staying hydrated is equally crucial. Water facilitates the passage of food through your digestive system and aids in absorbing nutrients efficiently. It's like the irrigation system for your gut garden, smoothly carrying nutrients to where they need to go. Now let's jog over to the topic of regular exercise. Exercise isn't just for building muscles or losing weight. It also plays a significant role in maintaining gut health. Regular physical activity can enhance the diversity of your gut bacteria, keep your digestive system in top shape, and even help regulate your immune response. But, as with any garden, introducing some friendly helpers can boost its vitality. These come in the form of probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that you can add to your gut flora through fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, or kimchi. On the other hand, prebiotics are a type of dietary fiber that acts as food for these beneficial bacteria, found in foods like bananas, onions, and garlic. Remember, these are not one-size-fits-all solutions. What works for one person might not work for another. It's important to listen to your body, and if needed, seek advice from healthcare professionals to tailor a regimen that suits your needs. So whether it's introducing more leafy greens into your diet, drinking an extra glass of water each day, or taking a brisk walk around the block, every small step can contribute to a healthier gut. Remember, a healthy gut is the cornerstone of good health. We've covered quite a bit about the gut today. Let's do a quick recap. Our journey began with an introduction to the gut, a complex system that does more than just process the food we eat. It's a bustling metropolis of trillions of microorganisms working together to keep us healthy and thriving. We then delved into the intricate anatomy of the gut, from the esophagus to the large intestine, and everything in between. Each part plays a crucial role in digestion, breaking down food into nutrients that our bodies can use. The gut is also a crucial player in our immune system. It's home to 70% of our immune cells, acting as a first line of defense against harmful pathogens. It works tirelessly day and night to protect us from disease and infection. But the gut's influence doesn't stop at physical health. It's a key player in our mental well-being too. We discussed the gut-brain axis, a two-way communication system that links our digestive tract with our brain. It's fascinating to think that what we put into our gut can impact our mood and mental health. Finally, we shared some tips for maintaining a healthy gut. Eating a varied and balanced diet, rich in fiber, is crucial. So is staying hydrated and getting regular exercise. And remember, stress can negatively impact your gut health, so take time for relaxation and self-care too. Through all these discussions, one thing is clear: the gut is a vital part of our overall health. It's not just about digestion, it's about immunity, mental health, and so much more. So as we wrap up, let's remember to give our gut the care it deserves. Let's nourish it with wholesome food, keep it active with exercise, and protect it from stress. After all, a happy gut means a healthy body and mind. So, to keep your body and mind in top shape, don't forget to take care of your gut.